Julibuddies TV.
Hello, my smart little friends. Today, we are going to learn something new in math. It's called subtraction. Do you know what subtraction means? Subtraction means taking away. When we take away, the number gets smaller. It's like when you eat a cookie from your plate. Now you have fewer cookies. Are you ready to try some fun subtraction stories with me? Yes? Yay, let's go. Balloons. You have 5 balloons. Oh no, 1 balloon flies away. How many balloons do you have now? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 balloons. You still have 4 balloons. Hooray! Before we continue, friends, have you tried the Julibuddies Kids app yet? It's the perfect place to practice everything we're learning in this channel and more. You can find it now on Google Play, and it's coming soon to iOS. Yay! Apples. You have 3 apples. You eat 1 apple. How many apples are left? Count with me. 1, 2. That is 2 apples. Yummy apples. Hooray! Birds. Look, 4 birds are sitting on a tree. 1 bird flies away. How many birds are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. That is 3 birds. 3 birds are still singing. Hooray! Candies. You have 2 candies. Oops, you drop 1 candy. How many candies are left? Count with me. 1. That is 1 candy. 1 candy left just for you. Hooray! Wow, you did it! You learned subtraction today. Subtraction means taking away, and then we count how many are left. You are so smart, friends. Keep practicing subtraction with your toys, fruits, or even your snacks. Don't forget, tap the like button and click subscribe so you never miss more fun math with us. Great job today. See you next time for more fun learning. Bye-bye.